Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Baraka. If it's your first time here, welcome. My channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, DIYs and fashion haul. For today's look, I'll be using the palette called the FLORA palette. This is the palette I've been using for a while now, and I'll be using the blue shade to start. I'm starting off with the blue shade, sorry, and I'm just going to pack that into the outer corner of my lid. I'll pack till I'm satisfied with what I got. Then I'll move ahead with smoking it out. And for smoking out, I changed the brush to a fluffy but a little precise brush and smoking it out. Then I added a little bit of black because I wanted the pigment to be darker, not lighter. And for the shimmer, I'm using these two shimmers. I'm mixing it up and blending it in from the corner of my lid to the middle of my lid. And the eyeliner I used is the magic pen eyeliner from Colorbox Cosmetics, which is actually a glue and eyeliner. I don't know how to put it, but you don't need a glue after using this eyeliner. You just have to put on your lashes and that's it. And this is my final look. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you're loving this look. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.